Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Today, you are going to see the story of Rumpelstiltskin, which is a German fairy tale. Fairy tales are traditional stories written for children that usually involve imaginary creatures and magic. Fairy tales are often written by anonymous authors. Let's see the main characters of this story. The main characters of this story are Miller, King, Miller's daughter, and Rumpelstiltskin. Miller means a person who operates a mill, especially one that grinds grain into flour. The story tells us of a greedy king who valued gold more than anything else. It is also a story of a strange little man who agreed to help a poor miller's daughter, but on the condition that he would get something back in return. At the end of the lesson, you can understand that the king was a greedy man who was responsible for the suffering of the miller's daughter. Not only that, the miller's lie, which he said to impress the king, almost cost him his daughter's life. Now let's see the summary of this chapter. In a land far away, a poor miller lived with his beautiful daughter. One day, in order to impress the king, he lied and told him that his daughter knew the art of spinning straw into gold. Spinning means the process of converting fibers into yarn or thread. The king summoned her at once and locked her up in a room full of straw. He ordered her to spin all the straw into gold in one night. If she failed, she would die. As the daughter sat weeping, a strange little man appeared before her and asked her what the matter was. She told him everything. The man promised to help her but said that he will need something in return. She gave him her necklace and the little man sat down to work. The next morning, the king was delighted to find a room full of gold. He grew greedier and locked the miller's daughter in an even bigger room for another night. Again, the strange little man came to her rescue and helped her in exchange for her ring. So, this time, the miller's daughter exchanged her ring for helping her. The king locked her up for the third night and said that he would marry her if she was successful this time as well. When the little man came to the daughter this time, she said she had nothing left to offer. The little man then said that he would help her if she promised to give him her first child when she became the queen. Thinking that it would never happen, she agreed. On seeing the room full of gold for the third time, the king married the miller's daughter and she became the queen. A year later, she gave birth to a beautiful child. Soon, the little man appeared and demanded her to fulfill her promise. She wept and offered him all the riches of the kingdom, but he refused. The little man put up a condition and said that if she was able to find out his name in 3 days, he would spare her child. Spare means to leave it free. The first 2 days, the queen tried all the different names and sent out a messenger to gather all the names but didn't succeed. On the third day, the messenger came back and said that in a small cottage deep in the forest, he saw a strange little man hopping on one leg who chanted that he would soon have the young queen's child. That Rumpelstiltskin, Im's child, the little man said. Hearing this, the queen rejoiced, and when the man came to her next, she told him his name. Rumpelstiltskin went away enraged as his scheme of stealing away the queen's child had failed. Children, what do you understand from the story? The miller, who is not an honest man, as he lies to the king in order to impress him, instead of keeping his daughter safe, the miller himself was responsible for getting his daughter into trouble. It was because of his lie that the king locked up his daughter and threatened if she failed spinning straw into gold. And on the other hand, you can see that the miller's daughter seems helpless in the face of her father's lie. She does not know how to spin straw into gold. When the king threatens her life, she sits miserable and alone till Rumpelstiltskin comes to help her. She does everything in her power to save herself and later her child from the king and Rumpelstiltskin, respectively. It is through her efforts that she is finally able to save her child. So, in this story, you can also see the king is a greedy man who only wishes to collect more and more wealth. He thinks of marrying the miller's daughter as he believes that he cannot find a richer wife for himself in the whole world. He does not care for others as he threatens the miller's daughter that he would kill her if she is unsuccessful in the task given to her. And the little man was Rumpelstiltskin, who possibly had magical powers and was able to turn straw into gold. He came to help the miller's daughter as he wanted to take things from her in return for his help. At last, we can see that the messenger, who is a good man who does his job well, he goes deep into the forest and comes back with the name of the strange little man. So, all of you, please read this chapter and learn word meanings. Also, complete your work. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.